Hello, welcome back to S&G Automotive. My name's Steph. It's currently about 6:30 in the morning. We are going up to Birmingham to pick up Ken's ST. So we're doing like a vlog style video today. It's gonna be pretty cool. He's done a lot of work, but we'll get into that. Just gonna drive up to Ken's and then we'll film from there. So it's been 4.5 hours later, it's like 11:30. Ken's just there. We're at Matt Lewis Motorsport. So yeah, let's go and take a look at the car.
You ain't even fucking wrap my... What fucking customer service is this?
No, what? What?
You ain't even wrap my screen with, you prick.
It's fucking ceramic coated, you belly!
I wanted the wrap look!
You're not having the fucking wrap!
I
Fuck
knew
your
you was gonna wrap
Fuck
it!
your wrap! You're having fucking
You said
ceramic.
you was gonna wrap it!
I was going to, and then it all got fucking ceramic coated, so I was like, fuck that, I ain't doing it.
Is this so serious?
Yeah.
You
Shocking,
fucking
mate.
animal
Yeah, I
cunt.
think so.
Shocking, man. That's better. Looks fucking way nicer. Looks like
1 star.
choo-choo train now. Yeah, 1 star, me bitch.
Fucking
1 star.
Google fucking whatever it is, me. Google reviews.
Right, what we're doing now? Doing the brakes.
Let's go the bumper on first.
I'm gonna bump it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
swap.
And then
The
bleed.
fuck!
Kick it around the fucking wedge.
Okay.
I just like to point out for the video that we're not always like this. We're only like this for this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Matt Lewis Motorsport customer service.
Do you know how to put that back on? Do you need a hand? You're right. Sure? Yeah. On top of the car.
Saying that, you need another. Hang on, Matty. I'm gonna put another thing in there for him.
Why, did you fuck that up too? I swear to God, if you hit my bumper one more time.
It's fucking in the back of the knee. Gonna cripple me. I can't come to work tomorrow, Matt. Fucking Ken's bumper's fucking slice the back of my knee aching.
Oh no! What a shame.
Expensive.
Is that an M6 or M8? That's like M6. M8 one side, M6 the other side.
Perfect.
Oh, perfect.
Perfect.
Bolt.
Sweet. No, that'll be alright for me. Undo
Oh,
that
yeah.
one's got the bumper on. But you have to like, put the bumper on and then line this fucking wank shit thing on.
Hey! You leave my car alone. I was raging when I thought someone stole it off my car. When I was on the way to...
What, is it just because it had fallen all the way down?
It'd fallen off and come out the fucking...
Just all that stuff.
on the way to Ford Fair.
I actually don't even know if the bumper fits anymore because you've got this gobstopper now, haven't you?
Shut up. Do you need a hand? You're alright.
I think we're just about qualified to do this.
Well, I mean,
Matt, you are. We're alright. On the other hand, I don't really know.
I'll come over my way, but
I've got the paper. All the gear, no idea.
all the no idea gear. Oh, hang on, I know why. It's going to come back off again. Some dickhead has a shit toe strap on them.
Oh, I've done that a few times actually.
You got the grip?
Yeah. Cut up your local chicken pen here.
Mate, it'd be a lot cheaper. That costs like fucking 100 quid for that.
That's
100 quid, so you come in.
That's from dickheads up the way, that is. From Sunsport.
Do you like Sunsport, I take it?
Well, they're only like 2 minutes up the road from here.
Are they?
Yeah, like literally.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Literally 2 minutes.
Are they your friends?
No, they don't. They used to sell to us, they don't really anymore.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Try again. Somewhere there, is it?
Yeah, come to this grill. So that's fuel flex sensor. So what it does, it detects the ethanol content in your fuel, sends a signal to the ECU, tells the ECU, so the ECU can adjust the map as such.
Yeah.
Obviously with meth you can add a little bit more timing into the map, which is what that sensor can help achieve. Fuel pressure regulator, so it's a rising rate, basically that rises with pressure, so boost pressure. So it's static at 4 bar, and then if you imagine you run a bar of boost, that will then be at 5 bar, so basically you always want to make sure you've got fuel pressure over boost pressure, basically.
Cool.
And then obviously you've got your nice side mount.
Yeah.
Garrett G3770, 0.83 AR on the exhaust housing, which is a proven route, although some idiots would like to think that it isn't. That's what I run on my car, that's what I ran for the whole of last race season. It's a solid setup, it's a stupidly quick spooling turbo, and it doesn't drop off too badly on the top end.
Yeah.
Obviously you could go to a larger AR, but then you have more lag down the bottom end, it doesn't really tend to boost as well.
Yeah.
That's pretty much where you want to be. Turbo Smart 50mm Pro Gate, Sleeper Edition, just to control the boost. You could go stupidly excessive and put 60mm on there, but realistically for setup that you're on, 50mm is more than adequate.
Cool.
For what you're wanting on it. And then obviously you've got, I've moved all that for you.
Yeah, that's
So all
that
closing
looks
the top
loads
grill
better
now.
down there, to be fair.
Breathers mounted off the front as well. Your new intercooler is on there. Custom 2.5 inch pipe work from the turbo down to your cooler. And then you've got a hot side on there as well. That's a AirTech hot side. 3-piece hot side for Godstopper. I've got to add that onto your list because I don't think I put that on because it didn't come with that. 3.5 inch down pipe, 3.5 inch connecting pipe to then obviously your 3 inch, which is your next problem that you need to solve then, yeah. It's purely the step down. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but 1/2 inch over that diameter tube is a lot of pressure to add on.
Yeah.
Basically what was happening was, at 1.6 bar you were making that power, and then you try 1.8 bar, but you can't physically get the airflow out the exhaust to push the air. If you can't get rid of the air, then you can't put more air in, basically. So he was demanding 1.8, but it was never hitting 1.8 bar. Right. Which is nothing to do with the boost control setup. It's purely to do with the fact that you can't get that hot air away quick enough.
Yeah. As you said, it's to do with the turbo housing as well.
Yeah, exactly. Because at the end of the day, you know what I'm running in mine. With obviously, I've got the valves, I've got the springs and stuff like that, but I've got a full 3.5 inch exhaust, and that's the only reason we can make that. And we can push that car for more, like if I wanted to, but that's at 21 psi, which is 1.6 bar, I think. So there's your difference. That's your difference between your two powers. Yeah. Like I say, even Lee says, mate, it will piss 6 once obviously that's done, and plus you've got the next step of you can run methanol as well. Yeah. So you'll make probably maybe another 20, maybe another 30 brake horsepower over the top of that as well. Yeah. And it's a solid setup, like I say, it's way quicker spooling than a 35. I'd always pick this over a 35 now. There's hardly any lag on it. I mean, you look at the when you look at the like dyno sheets and stuff like that for mine, there's hardly any lag on it. It comes on full boost at like 4K, so yeah. But yeah, you're laughing realistically. Yeah, and then that's it, mate. Realistically, obviously your fuel system and stuff as well. Come round to the back, let me show you the relays so you know where they are.
Alright.
Oh, thank fuck it was only that.
Oh, what do you think it was going to be?
Well, I thought it was my phone, but then I just realised it was in my fucking pocket.
Right, Ken smashed it. Yeah.
So you've got 2 relays there for your 2 044s that are underneath. Okay, so they're a fused relay, which would be 30 amp fuses in them. If you have any issues with them, In fact, I think there's yeah, the 30. So you have any? If you have if you have any issues for the point like when you press ignition on the car and you can't hear the fuel pumps coming on, come back here first and check, pull these fuses out and make sure they're not blown.
Right.
There is a lot of draw on the pumps, but hence why we have a fuse relay on there. There is a lot of draw on the pumps because, you know, especially when you're on full boost or in high demand, like they're running as much like flat out as hard as they can.
Yeah.
So just be aware that that's there. Obviously, you'll have a bit of fun now if your battery fucking drains. You've got to climb in over your cage to get to your battery, put the jumper pack on to open your boot up to thing it. So you might want to run maybe like a trickle charger wire to one of the doors.
Right.
That sounds silly, and then you could trickle charge it. So run it through here and then down to the door so you can trickle it.
Yeah.
I did do Reese's behind his seat, but even then, like he's got bucket seats as well. It's a fucking nightmare to get
Yeah,
to.
it is.
So.
Yeah. Absolute bastards to climb
And
through.
when it comes to it, like I was saying about the meth, you use like a 70-30% split, so you use 70% fuel to 30% meth. So if you calculate that over your 55 litre tank on this, if it's a bone dry tank, you can do your calculations off that. But like I say, it'll be as and when.
Yeah.
As and when.
Yeah.
It's mapped in, but like I say, it runs through into the fuel flex detects it, and then it's good to go from there. Cool.
So like when I get the exhaust sorted, just let you know and then.
Let us know when it's done.
Yeah.
And then we can just book in with Liga. And you can get your horse down there.
Sweet.
Or we can take it down or whatever, but we'll sort it for you anyway.
Yeah.
Go sort it. What are you doing? I don't. What are you doing?
Tightening the ball joints up.
Do you want to send it up in the air?
I mean, it would help, yeah.
Well,
but
why don't you just say your bell end?
you're fucking talking
I can hear you struggling.
specification shit.
I'm dying. Are you fucking struggling?
And I'm only about 3 foot tall, so ain't too bad.
You're about 3 foot tall.
Stealing his engine,
Stephen's engine. What, with a 22 mil spanner?
really. 21 actually.
Oh, sorry, 21, yeah.
so nice, man. It's so nice. Yeah.
First and second gear, even though with the traction control you still got slippage, like it will still spin.
Yeah.
There's only so much that it can do, but like third gear then, I mean, you felt it, you can hear it cutting in and pulling the power and then putting it back on instantly. It's why you get that like on the way up. It's really weird to explain, but it does it so well that realistically, like, you can hear it, but you can't really feel the power cutting that much. It's fucking tremendous. Honestly, mate, it's the best thing about these cars with Cyvex is just the way that they can put the power down. Like I say, like,
I'm speechless. Like, this is insane.
Second, mate. Realistically, third upwards. Like your second, you're in fifth gear in this car, mate. It's like time warp. It's like Star Trek shit going on.
Ken's got his car. I'm now driving his Mondeo back. Obviously, it's not there. yeah, what an epic day really. Ken's obviously well happy with the car. Blown away by it, I know he is as well. But yeah, I might film some more content on the way home, but yeah, if not, then I'll get the video there. So thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, notification bell, slap a like on it, comment down below what you think of it, and yeah, see you next time.
Driving by the shore, looking for some